Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm excited to have you join us. Today we're diving into a super useful feature in Power BI that every beginner should know, the include and exclude options in your charts. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to focus your visuals on just the data you care about, leaving out the noise and highlighting exactly what matters for your analysis. So let's jump right in. Alright, for this demonstration, I have a stacked bar chart up on my Power BI dashboard. If you're following along, just get any stacked bar chart ready, maybe sales by region, product category, or any data that has groups within groups. Including and excluding is all about zeroing in on specific parts of your data, so think of those bars as different stories you might want to tell. Let's start with including data. To do this, you'll want to shift-click on the bars in your chart that represent the data points you want to focus on. For example, maybe you're only interested in how two departments performed, or you want to highlight sales in just a couple of cities out of many. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each bar you want. Don't rush this part. You'll see the bars you select get outlined or highlighted in Power BI, giving you a visual cue that your selections are being registered. This way, you can carefully choose the exact data you want to spotlight. Once you've made your selection, right-click on one of those highlighted bars. When the menu pops up, look for the Include option and click it. What this does is really neat. It instantly filters your visual to show only the data points you've chosen. Think of it like turning off all the background noise at a crowded party so you can hear the one conversation you care about. This helps you focus your analysis and makes for a much clearer, more compelling story when you present your findings. Now let's talk about the opposite, excluding data. Maybe you have a couple of data points that are skewing your results, or you simply want to remove outliers to see overall trends more clearly. Again, hold down the Shift key and this time click on the bars representing the values you want to leave out. Maybe it's a product line that's no longer active or a region that's not relevant to your current analysis. Don't worry if you accidentally pick the wrong bar, you can always click it again to deselect. The key is to be patient and make sure you're targeting exactly what you want to exclude. With your unwanted data points selected, right-click on one of them and this time choose Exclude from the menu. Power BI will immediately refresh the chart, removing the bars and the corresponding data from your visualization. It's kind of like tidying up your workspace. Everything you don't need is tucked away, which helps your audience focus only on the insights that matter. And that's really all there is to it. Once you start using the Include and Exclude options, you'll find it so much easier to fine-tune your Power BI visuals and keep your reports laser-focused. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can always undo or adjust your selections as you get comfortable with the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.